This is Jan. He was writing to me through my blog, and he was always say that I'm going to Magadan, but he didn't say that he will be with his friend and sister. So who you are, guys?
Good day. My name's Ian. This is my friend Richard and my sister Kimberly.
So you're from Canada, actually.
We're all from Canada, but I'm living in Australia, and my mate's living in China, and my sister's still in Canada.
Okay.
And we started the trip. The car. We started the trip in Vladivostok. We shipped the car from Australia. Had a few problems in Vladivostok.
Oh, really?
Yeah, clearing the car from customs.
So how was it?
Yeah, it took 1 week more.
1 week?
It took over a week to do it, to clear the car, but we got it, and now it took
It's
us...
just about money or paperwork?
Paperwork. Problem with the Sydney office paperwork.
Ah, I see.
So yeah, troubles with that. And now we've taken 5 days to drive from Vladivostok to Yakutsk. It's been some hard days, some 12-hour days of driving, but some good fun along the way though. So
oh, really?
It's all good. Yeah.
Do you have many pictures?
Yeah, lots of pictures. Yeah, lots of mosquitoes too though.
Oh,
so,
mosquitoes.
Yeah. But yeah, it's been good though, so it's good to be here. But we're looking forward now to travel to Magadan.
Magadan.
And
okay, I've heard, I have a friend who is driving from Magadan to Yakutsk right now, and he says that the condition of the road is okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's good to hear.
So it was rainy also.
Yeah. Hopefully the rivers aren't too high now to come back.